If the Reddit isn't loading properly, there are several things that you can try to fix the issue. First of all, go ahead and check the Reddit status. Reddit servers may be down or experiencing issues, so check the Reddit status page or search for any news regarding the server outages. Sometimes a simple reload of the page can fix the issue. You can refresh the page in the Reddit homepage and then try clearing the cache. Tap and hold the application, tap on the eye icon in the top, and then scroll down and go to storage. Click on clear cache. You can also try using the Reddit in the incognito mode. So open an incognito or private browsing window which disables extensions and uses a clean session without the cache data if you're trying to use a web browser. Then after check your internet connection, make sure that your internet connection is stable and try opening other websites to ensure that it's not a connection issue. And if you're using Wi-Fi, try switching to a wired connection or restart your router. You can also try updating the application. For that, open Play Store or App Store according to your device, click on the search bar and search for Reddit. And if you see an update button, simply tap on it to update it to its latest version. An outdated version could cause issues with certain websites. You can also try reinstalling the Reddit app. If you're using the mobile app and it's not loading, try uninstalling and reinstalling the app to resolve any potential issues. And if you're using VPN or proxy server, it might be affecting Reddit's accessibility. So disable the VPN or proxy to see if the Reddit loads properly. And if all else fails, try accessing Reddit on another device, computer, phone, or tablet to see if the issue is specific to your current device. And if none of the solutions work, it could be a temporary issue with the Reddit servers or an ongoing bug, so you might need to wait for Reddit to resolve it or contact their support team. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe.